Hello, my name is Charles Fox.
And I'm Warren Miller.
Thank you so much for watching this video. And today we're going to be talking about what you should know about solar EV chargers.
You know, Charles, I'm confident that we're about to enter into an energy revolution in this country. We're going to see things change, specifically in the automobile industry. We're already seeing it. We see electric vehicle charging stations everywhere you go.
Yep. So there are three types of chargers, Warren, that we should be aware of as we're looking at EVs.
Yeah. You know, the first charger is a real simple charger. It's what you would use at your home or at your business to plug in your own personal car. It's not connected or integrated with your solar. It's just for you to use. The second kind of EV charger is an integrated charger. If you're thinking about installing solar and you're considering getting an electric vehicle, or you already have an electric vehicle, this might be a great solution for you because there are some inverters that have EV chargers integrated with them. And then finally, Charles, is the third option, which is typically the most expensive, and that is EV chargers that would be available to the public. So not only could you charge your car there, but they have sophisticated software applications and payment systems integrated with them that allow for the public or your employees to come up and park and pay for the electricity to charge their cars.
Yeah. And a private EV charger typically costs around $2,000 to $3,000, which is about the same cost as an integrated private charger as well. But a public EV charger, the cost is going to be about the same for the equipment itself, but where the increased cost is in the software, the able to bill the amount of kilowatt hours that you're putting into the car. You're going to probably see a cost of around $20,000 for a public EV charger where you can bill someone for the power that they pull from you.
Yeah. So in summary, there's really just three types of EV chargers to know about. A private charger for you to use for your own use. If you're going solar, you could get an integrated one integrated into your inverter. And third and finally, if you have a business or a reason that you'd like the public to be able to charge their cars there, you could go with a more expensive public charger that would cost you in the $20,000 range.
Yeah. Great explanation, Warren. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful.